Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. See, that's why you get in trouble, because you like to talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person.
Well, I feel like I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the scariest thing.
When you watch over him when he comes.
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever.
Today we've got one of the funniest and dumbest sovereign citizens you will ever see. This one's a real gem. This guy is actually claiming that the judge is scaring him and doesn't want to show up in person because he's afraid of the judge, but it gets even crazier than that. Sovereign citizens love to think they're above the law. But newsflash, the law does not care about your made-up rules. The judge here completely goes off on this idiot here, and honestly it's pure gold. Let me know in the comments how dumb you think this sovereign citizen is on a scale from 1 to 10, and if you love content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go ahead and dive in here.
Mr. Lanto, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
He came out and went back in.
Okay. Mr. Greco, it's been indicated to me that somebody wants a 30-day adjournment on Mr. Lanto's case for discovery. Is that right?
I wasn't. That's fine with me, Judge, if that's what the request is.
Well, quick objection. The request was, why don't we just drop this right now?
Okay, Mr. Lanto, you understand that you're the one requesting that you be given 30 days to get discovery. It's not the prosecutor.
Well, the first thing I want. Okay,
you want a trial today? You want a trial today?
Well, I mean, I'd even be willing to, sign a guilty plea today if the court can just produce the factual evidence of jurisdiction. It should be in my file somewhere. I was asking for the same thing up in the Clarkston courthouse, and they sent me to the Oakland County Jail.
Mr. Lanto, I'm not going to produce anything. I don't have to. I'm the judge. And as far as I know, the prosecutor can only produce what he wants to produce to convict. So we're not doing that. Your attorney's asked for 30 days. Do you want the 30 days or do you want to go to trial today?
Well, let's see what the discovery evidence has to say. But first, if they could, very first thing out of there, they could send the factual evidence of jurisdiction. That would be great. It should be a one-page document. If the prosecutor filed it, fantastic.
Mr. Lanto, you're talking crazy. I would suggest that you listen to your attorney. Okay? I'm going to adjourn this matter on his motion for 30 days.
Did you just say? Can you?
I'm gonna send this to the assignment clerk.
So far I think this dude is a solid 10 out of 10 on the idiot scale here. What do you guys think? I mean, he literally just rolls into court and says, let's just dismiss this case like he's the one with the authority here, not the judge. Honestly, where do these sovereign citizens even come up with this bold delusional ideology? It's like they think the laws don't apply to them just because they say so, but that's obviously not how any of this works. Honestly, it's just so baffling. Like, where do these sovereign citizens even get all of this BS? Like, is it on YouTube or something? Because honestly, I haven't seen this stuff pop up until a few years ago, and it's just getting worse and worse. But also huge respect to the judge so far, because he's handling this situation like a total G. I love that he's not letting this guy slide off with this nonsense. Let's dive back in.
You talk and you think you know it all and you don't listen. I'm going to adjourn your case for 30 days. I'm going to send the matter down to the assignment clerk. She'll send out a notice. Hopefully your attorney will have the discovery that he wants by then, and we can handle your case. Okay?
Well, have you kind of calmed down a little bit?
What did he say? No. You're all set.
It seems like you were getting angry. It seems like you were getting angry.
No, Mr. Lanto, you can leave the meeting. We'll see you in 30 days or so. Clerk will send you a notice.
Well, I just want the record to show I've asked these same questions in several courts, and nobody has said I'm talking crazy.
Oh, yeah.
That's the first time somebody said I've been anything but reasonable in a courtroom.
Huh. That's amazing.
Huh, right.
You're talking like you know all about the law, and it doesn't make any sense to me.
Well, then let me ask a few questions for clarification.
You don't need to ask any questions. We'll deal with it in 30 days, Mr. Lynn.
This dude seriously needs to walk away while he's still got a chance. The judge is being surprisingly chill with him considering how ridiculous he's being, but it honestly feels like he's just trying to get thrown into contempt at this point. I mean, we all know you can't just walk into court and try to play the system like this. The judge is giving him chance after chance, but instead this guy keeps pushing it, and this dude is the last person to talk about logic and simple questions. None of his statements so far have been logical, so honestly this guy is an idiot so far.
Attorney when you see him.
Like I said, I'd be willing to sign the guilty plea and just, be done with this if I just see the factual evidence of jurisdiction, number one. And
That's
then
why
number
we're
two.
asking for discovery.
Okay, and then the proof of jurisdiction is going to be in there? Is that, I'm asking a simple logical question. It's either yes or no. The proof is going to be in there or not. It's very simple. It's very logical, actually.
Well, let's see.
Mr. Lanto, I think maybe you ought to come into court in person next time, and your attorney will be here in person, and we can talk about it. So when you get that letter,
Well,
can I put on there that he's in person? I'm going to indicate to the assignment clerk that I want you here in person. You know where the courthouse is?
I feel like I'd be in danger if I came there. I'd be in danger.
No, you won't be in any danger. I'll assign a policeman to watch over you.
That's the
Chris,
scariest
would
thing
you
I could
watch
ever
over
hear.
him when he comes?
Absolutely.
That is the scariest thing I could ever hear. And that's coming from a very reasonable person.
Okay, we'll see you in person in about 30 days, whatever date the assignment clerk gives you. And you come into court and we'll take care of business, okay?
So what does it mean to take care of business and I got to come in person and you're going to assign a police officer to me? And then you said I'm talking crazy.
No, you got it.
Did I just recall what was said on the record? Did I just recall that correctly?
You said no, you said it in reverse. I said first that you're talking some crazy talk. Then I said I'm going to adjourn it for 30 days. And then I said, because you're worried about it, that I'd have an officer watch over you while you're in court.
Do you guys actually think he's going to show up in 30 days? I'm actually going to guess yes, just because deep down I know this guy thinks the judge has jurisdiction over him. He just doesn't want to admit it. But not only is this guy's teeth all messed up, but his whole brain seems to be too. This guy, he tried to play the victim role the entire time and even had the judge calling him crazy. It's honestly like he thinks he can just talk his way out of everything, but that's obviously not how the law works. Next time he seriously needs to let his attorney do the talking, because right now he's just digging his own hole here. But even if this guy does show up in person, I cannot wait to see what he's going to pull next. This whole thing was just super entertaining, and honestly I'm here for it. This guy was like a different breed of sovereign citizen, like you usually hear like their standard talking points, but this guy was kind of all over the place, had even called out the judge and claimed he was scared to come in person. This guy is obviously just trying to stall at this point, and either he doesn't have the money to pay his little violation, or he just wants to waste all of our taxpayer money. Either way, this guy is an idiot here. I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. Let me know what you guys thought about this court hearing. I love reading your guys' comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.